Alright, welcome to another short video. So I'm in the process of replacing the control arm, right passenger side control arm on my 2011 Mazda 3. However, I watched a couple of videos on YouTube, but I didn't see one quick mention of something that was important. Well, I'm not sure. I'm not using a textbook. I'm just going by virtue of what I'm seeing under the car. Now, it was pretty easy to get out those bolts. Pretty easy to get this one out, the one in the spindle. Pretty easy to get that out. This one, it loosened relatively easily, but here's what I want to bring your attention to. So that's where this corner is mounted inside this spacing here, right? Now, when you try to remove the bolt, it comes out and jams against the AC compressor like that. And you see that little bit inside. I don't know if you can see that little bit inside. It doesn't want to go any further. Now, the workaround, which I discovered while doing this, was that this piece of metal protector is mounted under the bottom side of the lower side of the AC compressor. It's held on by 312 nuts. You can pretty much just back those 312 nuts off, take this down, and then what that allows is for you to move this out and go down at an angle like that, and then slide it out, because it came out, can't see it clearly, it jams against the AC compressor and wouldn't go any further. So by removing that, you're able to move it down and slide it out like that. So just a note. Alright, it's a pretty simple job, and as always, if you're doing a job like this where you have to work on your car, ensure it's on jack stands, ensure your wheels are chalked, and work as safely as possible, because at the end of the day, while you're doing your DIY, you want to be able to live to enjoy your repair. Alright, thanks for tuning in. Thought I'd share that. Yeah, it's pretty simple, straightforward job. No need to pull the struts or CV axle or anything like that. I bought a pick tool and I didn't even use it. I just had this long reach, this long old lug tool from my 2010 Focus, and I just pretty much placed it in between here and the spindle and just pried it down a few times, and away it went. So that was pretty straightforward. Alright, so just thought I'd point out that little catch right in the area of the compressor there, and keep in mind this is for the 2011 Mazda 3 2.0 liter engine. Thanks again for tuning in, and have a safe one. Bye.